So the next modification we're going to be doing is fitting this Armax Safari Snorkel. I love these snorkels, I have them on all my vehicles. There's a big debate out there on stainless or Safari snorkels. I love the ram head, especially with an Armax. When you got a turboed motor, which we will be doing to this vehicle, the air is in here on demand. It's not actually having to draw it like a straw. So let's get this done. All right, so this bit here, guys, this is underneath the guard. So when you don't have a snorkel, the dust, when you're driving on dirt roads, is accumulating underneath there, which the wheel's kicking up the dust, sucking through this air muffler, I assume it is, going into your airbox. So the advantage with snorkels is you're getting clean air from above directly into your airbox, which is gonna make your air filter last longer. I just do a quick mark where we got to, so that gives me an idea of where we got to put the tape. And then when we drill these holes, could be a little bit of swarf that comes off the drill. And the last thing we want is that to mark the paint on the car. There's a fair bit of tolerance, like we're drilling holes quite big. So it is hard to make a mistake, but it's all precaution. Doesn't have to be flash. So we're going to drill these holes out, cut that out. So one of the reasons why we put tape on here, just to go over that again, is the swarf off the drill bit can scratch the paint. Now this vehicle's wrapped. However, the snorkel does cover a lot of this, but the last thing we want to do is damage any new vehicles or any paintwork. Just putting on the top mount for the snorkel that we just previously drilled. Just helps it, it's up near the ram head, stops it from rattling around. Nice firm bracket. Now we'll mount the snorkel. So the last thing on the outside to do is the ram head. Just need a flat bladed screwdriver. Thank you, sir. Oh no, that That's the go. Now that we've got the Armax Safari Snorkel mounted on the outside of the vehicle, the next thing to do is the airbox. We've got to do a bit of modifying here so that the pipe work, thank you, bolts to the side of this, seals up, so if you ever do go through water crossings, it's all sealed. We will be replacing this airbox with an aftermarket one. However, for this job, we're going to still do the right thing. Looks good, man. All right. Now we've got to put this template over here. All right. And I know what everyone's going to say. I'm marking it with a black pen on a black box. You can understand how restricted these genuine airboxes are. You've got restriction all the way through, narrows down. What we're going to be doing is cutting all this area out, so we're going to have so much air on demand, the engine's not going to have to scavenge for air, it's just going to be there, which makes everything run a lot easier. So here comes probably the worst part of the whole job, is using Sikaflex to seal up the airbox, hence the black gloves. So if anyone's ever used this Sikaflex before, they know that it goes a long way, or it goes everywhere. Done. Righto. Now to pop rivet it to the airbox. So we've just finished putting on the attachment pipe and modifying the airbox to fit to the new Safari Snorkel. Let's get it fitted.